Hi guys, I am Dwi Octaviani. I want to review the translation course from materials 1 until 7. And the first material in translation course is definition translation. Definition translation is the process of changing text or information from one language to another with the aim of maintaining the meaning and nouns contained in the original text. And the second material from the translation course is translation procedure. Translation procedure is operational. The first one is in Peter Newak book. He begins with choosing a method of approach, and the secondly, when we are translating, translate with four levels. The first level is the ISL text level. The level of language where we begin and which continually but not continuously go back to. And the second level is the referential level of object and events, real or imaginary, which we progressively have to visualize and build up, and which is an essential part. And the third level is the cohesive level. This level encompasses both comprehension and reproduction. It presents an overall picture to which we may have to adjust the language level. And the fourth level is or the last is the level of naturalness. The level of naturalness of common language appropriate the speaker or the writer in the certain situation and concern only with reproduction. So the third material from this course is function of language. The function of language, text category, and then text type. For the first one, I will explain from function of language refers to the goal or purpose of communication to be achieved using language. And language function can be divided into several types, such as informative function or conveying information, persuasive function or influencing opinions or action, expressive function is or expressing feeling or emoticons, and others. And the secondly is text category. This refers to a type or category of written or spoken communication that has distinctive characteristic. The first one is a narrative or story, descriptive or explanation of a topic, and the third is argumentative is a defense or rejection or an argument, and is the last is instructional or instruction or direction. So the last is text type. The text type is refers to a particular variation or from of a text category. There are various types of text, such as short stories, novels, legends, and the others. And in the expository text category is text type include articles, essay, textbooks, and the others. So the four material from this course is from this the unit of translation and discourse analysis in. So the discourse analysis in translation refers to the study of how language in use in different contexts, such as written text, conversation, or speeches, and how these linguistic elements are interpreted and translated. And discourse analysis helps translators understand the deeper layer of meaning in text beyond literal translation, and it considers factors such as tone, register, style, and cultural elements to ensure that the translate that conveys the intent message accurately and appropriately in the target language and culture. So the 5 material from this course is translation ideologies. In translation ideologies, there are 2 ideologies. Is foreignization and democratization. So translation ideology refers to the belief, value, and principle that guide the practice and perception of translation. It covers various perspectives on translation, such as the quality of translation is accuracy, uniformity, and readability. So the 6th material from this course is translation method. For translation method, we have method. Is the first one, word translation. Word translation is a word for word translation. So 2, literal translation. Literal translation is the source language. And 3, faithful translation is maintaining aspects of the source language. And 4, semantic translation, which is a focus on textual meaning. And the 5, adapt the use of local term. And 6, free translation of target language, such as poetry, movie. And the 7 is idiomatic translation, is a non-formal language style. And the last is communication translation. Okay, thank you guys for your listen in my thank you guys.